How's it going, everybody? It's Christian L here with eatlikeanapex.com. Today, me and Shauna, we're gonna go with a friend of ours to LinkedIn in San Francisco. I probably won't do too much vlogging, probably just take some footage of the food there, the community they have at LinkedIn, and just kind of hang out with a friend for his birthday. Yeah, that's about it. You know, I'll do a little bit of vlogging, but not too much. Stick with me here. If you haven't subscribed, please find time to subscribe to my channel. And with that said, are you hungry? Well, I sure am. What?
Public parking.
Oh, horrible. Real quick, it's my buddy Chris's birthday here. So that's why we came here to visit him and his wife Sarah. So yeah, appreciate the invitation to come here at LinkedIn, take a look at the food. I accept your invitation. Alright, I'm gonna go for my first bite. I'm really not talking at the moment with the vlog here because the food is really good and I want to enjoy the atmosphere and hang out with my friends here. As much as you can see here, I'm probably going to get some more, but it's really good. Really good food. You probably can't come here unless you know somebody.
Get the pineapple and what is that?
Finally made it back to the table with my new plate. Gonna get my plate a good mix with those chilies, some scallions, cilantro, and lamb.
The lamb is good.
Yeah.
I got the so
That was really dry.
Oh, I know that's how they sleep.
No, it's usually when they walk on the streets.
Chocolate tart.
Pastry.
And what's the stuff on top? Coconut? Alright, here you go.
Okay. I guess you guys don't have to-go boxes, huh? So good.
No, it will bring home.
That is like so good. Wow, it's not just crispy, it's also creamy, obviously sweet, but it feels kind of light too, you know? Wow, that's good. Thank you.
You're good.
Are you guys all getting He's like, do we have to pick up the kids? Can we just stay here?
That's good right there. Is it brown sugar?
Yeah.
Alright.
That is a lot of sugar.
Yeah, it is. I do the ice cream.
Happy birthday to you.
Too much.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank you. Candle. Like I didn't even have one. Just when Sarah was like, oh, you got a candle? Let's do it.
Yeah.
That's nuts. I'm gonna go ahead and close off this video here with this nice view behind me here at LinkedIn. I want to go ahead and thank my friend Chris and Sarah for inviting us to come and check out Chris's company here and for having the wonderful good food. So really is a beautiful day. The buildings are really nice. I want to go ahead and close this here. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. I greatly appreciate that. With that said, peace out, one love. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications for more video and food updates from me. Okay, later. Bye.